Undeniably, Audi dustproof reds are terrible switches. Just listen to how they sound. That was pretty bad. However, they're not actually as bad as everyone thinks. They are actually very useful in Franken switching. Each of their parts actually help with the thock and cream when put with the right parts.